Alright, so back out in the garage. Finally going to do the unboxing on the suspension. But first, gotta play Jenga with some of the cars, so let me move these out of the way. I'll pull the Elko out. That way I have room to lay everything out in the garage. But let me get to it. Just a heads up, they all run. That one doesn't sound the best, but it still runs. Somebody asked me, how come when they watch the videos, they see a whole bunch of cars that don't run? They all run. They all run. I just had to do that. Somebody called me out on it and said none of them run. So I had to show you. They're all running. They're all plated, all insured. But get back to it. Let me unload these boxes and then I'll start unboxing. Alright, so did go with the UMI Stage 2 kit for G-bodies. I'll be pulling everything out. I did already open the box and take a look at them from the last video, but this is the first time we actually be pulling everything out of the boxes, so get it all pulled out. Start. Upper control arms. Both front upper control arms. I'm gonna guess these are the lowers. Gotta have your stickers. It also comes with the grease for the poly bushings, so you don't have to go out and get more. Yeah, the front lowers, so looks pretty good. Got color on there. It's gonna pop with the underbody being black. They're really gonna stand out. Come with the hardware, so that's always good with instructions, but yeah, all new hardware. More stickers. Have all the shocks, front and rear. So, rear lower control arms. So I'll go ahead and open these up for you. Those look good. So these will probably be going on today. Try to do all the rear. But man, like I said, with the underbody being black, these are really going to pop. More instructions, stickers, and the grease. All that extra horsepower. More hardware. Control arm reinforcements. So. New bushings for the rear end, and these are the upper rear control arms. Look pretty good. Yeah, so the look of it, these are the rear shocks. Supposed to be, alright, springs. These are rear springs. Supposed to give it a 2-inch drop over stock. Yep, those are the front. And then last box, got these sway bars. More stickers. All the hardware. So, here's a little bit of paint or powder coating on the packaging. But not too worried about it. I could touch it up later. So, pretty much unboxing. Get all the boxes moved out of the way. Lay everything out. Just do one last overview of what comes with the kit, and then I'll probably start tossing the rear on the Monte today. Alright, so there we have it all laid out. I do have all the hardware to stand off to the side, so it does come with all that, but I put the part number up in the video. It's the UMI G-Body Stage 2 kit. So this one, I believe they have one that lowers an inch or 1.5 inches, and then this one lowers it 2 inches. So I wanted the red. At the time when I ordered this was the last one in stock. I'm not sure if it's the last one in stock from UMI also, but as far as Jag, Summit, Speedway, this was the last kit in stock in the country. So went ahead and pulled the trigger. I looked at piecing it together, but in the long run that comes out to being a bigger hassle. The parts weren't all in stock, so I had to wait on certain pieces. So went ahead, bit the bullet, ordered the whole kit at once. But it does look pretty good. Like I said, yeah, the shocks, the springs, the rear upper control arms, the rear lower control arms. I believe those are the rear reinforcement braces. Have new bushings for the rear end, the front upper control arms, the front lower control arms, front and rear sway bars. So I'm happy with it. Like I said, I'm gonna start tossing some of it on. It also comes with I can't think of the name right now. The ball joints. So comes with all the ball joints already installed, which is nice. Like I said, I was debating between BMR and UMI. I asked a couple times just for opinions on them. Everybody was saying just go with UMI. They do their research. They have the green machine, which the green machine has a lot more than just a stage 2, but they actually run their products. So that kind of helped out with going with the UMI decision also. So that's it for this video. It's just an unboxing. Another thing, you gotta go with US made products. But that's it. Next video should have the rear back in, so we'll see how that goes.